it's me, Kelly, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated on my next videos. So for today's video, it's been a while. Another vlog, another budol na naman. And when I say another budol, it means today we will be having an unboxing video of BTS album. So last November 20, 2020, BTS had their comeback and they released this album, which is BTS B Deluxe version. And today, ito na nga, i-unbox na natin siya. Ngayon lang kasi siya dumating sa akin. I pre-ordered this and ngayon lang siya dumating sa akin. It's been months bago dumating and I think this is worth it. So this is the package. So I bought this album from Soul Stop Shop, which is yun yung pinagbilhan ko rin nung Army Bomb version 3 ko sa BTS. Ang tagal kong hinintay tong album na to. Ay, hindi ako. Grabe. Na-excite ako. Wow! Ang laki niya, guys. So, this is the freebie from Soul Stop. Cute! The freebie from Weaver's Shop. There you go. And this is the actual wow, may embossed siya sa harap. Life goes on. Tapos, some lyrics from Life Goes On. Kung i-compare natin siya sa ibang album ng BTS, this is the Persona and this is the Wings. So, kaya na naman. Medyo malapit siya sa height ng Persona. Map of the Soul Persona. And almost 3/4 sa Wings album. Oo, parang siyang magnetic. Di ko alam, parang hindi naman. So, ito siya, B. Life Goes On. So, I think this is the photo book. Wow, ay, dalawa. Ang galing. Ay. O, diba ang bongga? Si J-Hope kaagad ang bungad. The next, si Jin. Next, si Jungkook. Si Jimin. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng quality ng paper na ginamit. Makapal siya. Namjoon. Si Suga. Si Taeyong. So that's it for the photo book. Ang ganda. Next is the making book. Be making book. Hindi ako nanood nung unboxing video nilang 7 kasi gusto kong ako mismo yung makakita. Ayoko nung papanoorin ko sila since umorder naman ako. I'll be wherever you stay. So that's it. So next is the photo cards. This is the card from Weavers. There you go. The Polaroid. Ala, ang cute niya. Ang cute niya, guys. And there, life goes on. Group photo card. Then, likod niya, may nakalagay na V. Iba-iba sulat. So, feeling ko, sulat nila to. I think this is the CD itself na. Ay, ang bongga! Then, after that, we'll move that there. We'll put it here. Then, the checklist. Wow. This is huge. There you go. Next is their poster. So that's all. Ayun lahat yung laman nung B-album, which is super dami. Ang ganda, oh. Kung nakikita nyo, ang ganda ng texture. Matte siya, matte. Ang ganda ng texture. Carton siya, pero yung feeling ng velvet, ganun yung feeling niya. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if meron kayong mga suggestion na gusto nyong gawin sa future videos ko, don't be shy to comment on the comment section below. So that's it. Thank you. Bye!